वहाँ पर
Good morning and namaskar. We have started this practice of the governor making a statement for every monetary policy since the onset of the pandemic, that is from March 27th, 2020. And we find that this has proved to be useful to communicate RBI's policies and the decisions of the Monetary Policy Committee meeting. And normally I have been taking about 25-30 minutes. I propose to do it also in the same length of time today. And all the viewers, everyone have been very patient. So thank you for your patient hearing. And this is the statement for the Monetary Policy meeting we had, which concluded today morning. So let me now make the statement. As we come to the end of yet another turbulent year, the global economy is still marred by profound shocks and unprecedented uncertainty. Mixed signals are emanating from geopolitical situation and financial market volatility. In the beginning of this year, that is 2022, just as COVID pandemic was receding, the war in Ukraine overwhelmed the world in a black swan moment and fundamentally altered the global economic outlook. Surges in food and energy prices and shortages in key staples have severely affected the poorer sections across the world. Though international food, energy and other commodity prices have moderately in recent times, inflation remains high and broad-based, and this is something which we see world over. The IMF has projected that more than 1/3 of the global economy will contract this year or next year. While no country is spared the ill effects of such large shocks, emerging market economies, that is EMEs in particular, the ones dependent on food, energy and commodity imports, have been the worst affected. Looking beyond the pandemic and the war, fragmentation in trade, finance and technology is also adding to the forces of deglobalization. Supply chains are being redrawn on considerations of geopolitical security, leading to what is now come to be known as reshoring and friendshoring. Food and energy security, together with climate change, have become the biggest challenges to the world. In this hostile international environment, the Indian economy remains resilient, drawing strength from its macroeconomic fundamentals. Our financial system remains robust and stable, and corporates are healthier than before the crisis. Bank credit is growing in double digits for 8 months now. India is widely seen as a bright spot in an otherwise gloomy world. Yet our inflation remains elevated